there's another way in which it's an act of protest, cooking. Part of the way the world is today is that we are bombarded with a virtual world, a world of technology, of the internet, of social media, where we are bombarded with disembodied communication and disembodiment. You know, we all contend with a constant form of distraction, constant form of agitation, and it's all occurring in a world adjacent to the real one, to the actual world, the physical world. We're all suffering from the phenomena of the infinite scroll, the infinite access to content, to interesting things, to distracting things. It's like a grand experiment in the nature of human being. We're being fed off and fed on by a constant barrage of input. The personal and political act comes from looking at ways that we can come back to a way of being which is much more nourishing, much more supportive, much more in tune with our potential as human beings. And cooking is a phenomenal way to do this, simply because it's something that brings us into the present moment. It brings us into our physical body. It brings us into connection with the physical world